Nervous tissue. A tissue which is specialized to transmit message in our body is nervous tissue. Nervous tissues contain specialized unit cells called nerve cells or neurons, which have ability to receive stimuli from within or outside body and conduct that impulse to different parts of the body. This impulse travels from one neuron to another neuron. Do you know, Madhuri, that each neuron has three parts: cyton, dendron, and axon. The cyton or cell body contains a central nucleus and cytoplasm which has deeply strained particles called Nissel's granules. Dendrons are short processes arising from the cyton and further branching into dendrites. The axon is a single, long, cylindrical process of uniform diameter. Axon forms fine branches terminally. Each branch ends in a swollen structure called synaptic knob or bouton. Axon is also called nerve fiber. An individual nerve fiber is about 1 meter long.